सबसे ज़्यादा लोगों ने पूछा कि सैलरी कितनी है। सैलरी बहुत है भाई, इतना है कि खुश हो जाओगे। ओके, बाकी बात करते हैं पहले। गुड इवनिंग गाइस। अभी बज रहे हैं रात के 12। ओके, दिस इज सैटरडे एंड आई एम वर्किंग। यस, इन अ बिजी सीजन you have to work on Saturday too, and on the date of joining only or during the interview only they will tell that you are required to work on Saturday also, sometimes Sunday also, if this is the busy season. Okay, so finally I decided to make Q&A question and वीडियो फॉर यू गाइस। ओके, बिकॉज बहुत लेट हो गया था और अभी काम ख़त्म करके मैं थोड़ा सा फ्री हुआ हूँ, तो सोचा वीडियो बना दूँ ताकि संडे को एडिट कर सकूँ और ऑन मंडे और ट्यूसडे आई विल अपलोड यू दिस वीडियो फॉर यू गाइस। ओके, सो शुरू करते हैं विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी टाइम। ओके, सो I'll tell you how did I land up with this job. Okay, and what I have done as my qualification. So first I have done my BCom, okay, and then I have done my MBA. Okay, during my MBA, okay, I came in this company GT Grant Thornton as a tax analyst. Okay, and after completing my MBA I did my first job in ICICI Securities, जहाँ पे मैं एक मैनेजर था। आई मीन यू कैन से मी द रिलेशनशिप मैनेजर। ओके, इट डिडंट वर्क आउट फॉर मी वेरी वेल। ओके, सो एक साल काम करने के बाद आई डिसाइडेड टू कम बैक अगेन इन टू द GT, okay, as a tax analyst. And there I went on LinkedIn, okay, my favorite place to be. Okay, I searched and I found this job. Okay, I connected and I took this job as a referral. Anyways, I will tell you how to take in a job via referral and how to use LinkedIn effectively to take job, okay, in later part of video or maybe in some next video. Okay, and from there I started in this company. I started working as a tax analyst. Many questions. The first question which I picked, okay, what we do as a tax analyst. Okay, what is the basic expectation? Or before that, let me answer, what does interviewer ask in your interview? So I'll tell you very simple things. Okay, in interview they don't ask you the big science, they ask you literally very basic question which is required to answer. Okay, and which is very basic that you should know as a MBA or as a BCom or MBA or MCom degree holder. Okay, they ask you the basic accounting questions like about GST, or like about Indian taxation, like about mainly focus on journal. Okay, mainly focus on depreciation and uh, debt. Okay, bad debt journals. Okay, very basic journals they will ask you. They will simply ask you the basic accountancy about balance sheet, trial balance, very basics. Not, they don't deep dive into the accounting very much. Okay, because the people who interview you are also the senior or the staff of the company and who all are working in the company, and they have also the basic knowledge, and they bring the questions on their diary and they ask you and they match your answer with their answer written on the copy. So they ask you very basic question. First round of interview will be telephonic interview if it is online. Okay, if you pass they will confirm you for the technical interview which will happen on Teams. Okay, they will share the link on the email. Okay, and again they will ask you the basic accounting questions about yourself and all and everything. If you pass, then they will pass you out for the HR interview. So if you are into the HR round interview, okay, means you think that you are selected, okay, or you are 90% selected. Okay, in HR interview, if you are fresher, okay, you already know the how much package you will get. Okay, if you are the experienced, they will slightly negotiate the your salary or your this annual CTC. Okay, and they will ask you the basic question. They will introduce you with a few higher level leadership members, and they will hire you. And once you are on board, okay, they will onboard you and all the basic things. And for first month, they will give you the training for your work. Okay, you should focus on your training because this is all about one kind of job which you have to perform daily wise. Okay, anyways, if you guys are not comfortable in English, okay, you can let me know in comment. Okay, I'll try to make videos on Hindi. मैं हिंदी से ही हूँ, मैं हिंदी ही बोलता हूँ, but since English is required for this job, okay, I believe you all know Hindi and English both, or English especially. Okay, so very first question, that what we do as a tax analyst, what we do and how this is different from Indian taxation. So this is completely US taxation, US based taxation, not Indian taxation. Means in America, in USA, there are multiples or there are many companies and individuals, okay, who are working and who have the company running into the USA territory. So they hire GT to prepare their taxation, okay, because US taxation is very complicated than the Indian ones, okay. And they hire GT and they hire taxation company like Deloitte, KPMG, PwC, GT, UI, okay. And GT and all taxation company hire Indians, okay, as a outsource employees, and they train us how to prepare tax, how to analyze balance sheet, how to analyze data, and they teach us how to prepare tax. Once we prepare tax for our client, okay, a senior who is assigned to us will see whether we have done it right or not. Okay. If senior finds any mistake, they will come back to us and they will say, "Hey Deepak, you should correct this." Okay. Once we correct that, we again send it to the क्या कहते हैं उसको senior. Once senior say okay, this is okay, they will send it to the US. Okay, US will check on it. Okay, if they find any error, they will come back to senior. Senior will come back to us. Again, we rectify it. We come back to senior. Senior will come back to US team member. Once it is done, they will sign the copy. They will sign the return or tax report, and they will send it to the client. Again, in US taxation, there are multiple types of taxation. As we in technical, we can say 1065, 1120, 1120s, means this all are the types. Uh, like India, like we have sole proprietorship, we have partnership, we have corporates. Likely in US also there are multiple kinds of entities, and on the basis of entity there are multi types of forms like 1065, 1120, and these all things. You don't have to worry about these all things. You don't have to learn about all this before your interview. This all will be taken care by your trainer, and they will teach you each and everything before you start working on the actual clients. Okay, so you don't have to worry about it. Okay, and one more thing, I will keep this video only for 10 to 15 minutes, and I will try to make other video for other questions, okay, in my next video, because I have also limited time, and I believe you will accept it, and you will not get angry for this. Okay, so I did answer your first question, that what we do. Okay, and what is the working culture? The second question, what is the working culture, timing? Okay, how do we work and all? So working culture in all big four like PwC, EY, KPMG, Deloitte, or GT also, it's quite friendly. Okay, senior will support you. Okay, they will tell you how to get things done. They will teach you how to achieve your targets means you will have certain hours of target that you will have to work in a fiscal year or a financial year. Okay, and so for me in GT we have like 18 hours, sorry, 1800 hours. Means in a financial year, suppose December to January, I have to work 1800 hours on all the clients. Okay, matlab I should have at least 1800 hours. Okay, and on the basis of that they will judge my performance. They will give me a hike, they will give me bonus, and each and everything depend on us. In like sales, okay, suppose you are in सोनी कंपनी, तो आपको सोनी कंपनी के फ़ोन बेचने हैं 10 महीने के या साल के 100 बेचने हैं. सेम है इसमें, आपको साल के 1800 घंटे काम करने हैं क्लाइंट्स पे. ओके, दिस इज थिंग्स. ओके, वर्किंग कल्चर इज गुड, सीनियर्स आर सपोर्टिव, एंड हाउ डू वी गेट प्रोजेक्ट. तो इसमें होता क्या है, Suppose a company Apple hired a PwC to prepare the tax for. They will get in touch with the US PwC, and US PwC will collect all the data from Apple, and they will send to India. Okay, in India, manager will do analysis, and they will send it to the as a project. In a project, there are multiple teams member depending on the company size. So Apple is a big company, so there will be one owner. Owner means a person who will take overall look on the project. There will be 3 4 seniors who will review the work, and there will be 5 10 preparers like us, okay, who will actually work on the tax, who will actually prepare the tax, and senior will review, manager will look after everything. Timelines, they give us very tight timeline, or certain timeline, that in certain time we have to get the things done, and we have to send back to the US, and US will send back to the client. Okay, and the number of hours we worked on, they will charge money on the basis of that. Okay, and second question is done. Okay, third one is timing. What at till what time you guys work, what is the timing, how the work schedule, how the work pressure, how is the work culture. See, there are three quarter we can say. Okay, first one is normal days, second one is slightly busy season, and third one is extremely busy season. So in my company, okay, I will start with free time. Okay, November to January, you will have like no work, you will be like chilling out, you will like roaming around, having fun. Lot of things will be there to have fun. February to March and April, okay, we will have a busy season, slightly busy season, where you will get 8 hours of work at least in a day. Okay, and you will have to work on it. Okay, that is slightly busy season. Okay, and third one is extremely busy season, which comes from July, okay, to November or October 15, October 15 mainly. Okay, in that we'll have immense work. Immense means lot of work that you will have to work at least 10 to 15, 12 hours, very honestly. And that is not a big deal. You can work once you are having good hand on the work, how to get things done. You can easily work. Okay, but yes, you will have the mental like anxiety, mental pressure, that yeah, you have to work that much hours, but that is the normal. And if someone is paying you, they will make you work. This is the common, this is in Indian culture. Okay, Indian working culture. So in extremely busy season, okay, suppose you have especially work from home. I log in at 7 a.m. and I log out 10 p.m., 11 p.m., sometimes 12, depending upon the work. Okay, because we have the certain deadlines. Okay, and we have to give the work back to the US, and so that they can send to the client. Because if we miss deadline, okay, US government is going to charge interest on the client, and client is going to complain on us, which is not a good sign for the company, right? Okay, so in the busy season, you will get a lot of work. Okay, you will start as, suppose today is Saturday, it should be normally off, but since it is extremely busy season, I am working. I have logged in at 7 a.m. and till now I am still working. Right before, sometimes I have one day off, and I have pushed lot of work for the tomorrow. Tomorrow is Sunday, I can work also. Okay, if I work, I will get extra money. If I don't work, I can work on the Monday. Okay, and in some circumstances where there is a lot of work and deadline is very near, you will have to give up your Sunday also, and you will have to work, no doubt on it. And you cannot argue also. Okay, because deadline is there, and client is everything, client is god. Okay, because client gives money to the company. Okay, so okay, so 15 minutes is going to complete. I know this is going to very lengthy video. I have answered you three questions. How did I find this job? Okay, what does interview ask in your interview round of interviews? Third question I answered you, what are the basic things we have to do? Okay, fourth thing I have answered you, how is the work culture, how is the workplace, how is the work timing? Okay, four question I have answered you. In coming video I will answer you a lot of questions like salary, uh, some tough situation which how to handle that. Okay, some very easy situation, some like very depressful situation, some like the where fresher like us face lot of problem. Okay, how to catch it. Okay, and how to, again also I will take hack how to crack the job. Okay, so stay tuned, watch out this video. Okay, post your more comments and post all your doubts. Okay, बहुत much है, post all your doubts, post all your question on the comment box. In next video very soon, maybe sir, next Sunday I'm going to answer you guys. Okay, or maybe I'll shoot it now and I will post it in the next Sunday or Monday. For that time, see you, tata, bye bye. You can see my eyes are paining and I need to take deep sleep. Okay, so that I can be feel freshful in morning. So goodbye, take care, have a good night you all.